Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 16. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add ones and ones or tens and tens. So we know that we're going to be staying with our like units whenever we're adding. So looking at this, we have to figure out, the first thing is, are we adding tens or ones? That's our question that we need to ask before we even start to solve it. So looking at this, it says 19 plus 10 equals blank. So we're going to draw our picture and we're going to do the number bond strategy. So looking at this, we're going to first draw a picture. So I'm just going to draw 19, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then our 10. So now looking at this, what two units that are the same? There's 19 and there's 10. What two things could we add together first? The two tens or two ones? Well, 10 actually doesn't have any ones. So we know that we couldn't add 9 to anything because there's no ones to add it to. So we're going to add our 110 from the 10 and our 110 from the 19 together. So we know that we're going to add them together. So it's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now we're going to be doing that same thing, but with our number bond strategy. We know that looking at 19 plus 10, we have to break apart that 19, because that's the only number that has tens and ones right now. So we know that we're going to break apart 19 the 10 way as to be 10, 9. Now we're going to add the tens together, which is 10 plus 10. Okay? We know, in fact, looking at this, you can see that it'd be hard for me to add them by circling it because it would become a little too messy. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to put the 9 on this side and the 10 right here, to where now I can circle my two tens to add them together. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So I just added my two tens together. Now I'm going to have to add 9 plus 20 together. What is 9 plus 20, or 20 plus 9? Oh, we know that 20 plus 9 equals 29. So it is 29. Now guys, the reason why that we added our tens first is because both numbers, 19 and 10, each had a 10 that we could add. But if, let's say, that this 10 wasn't a 10 and it was 2, then we'd be adding our ones together first. But since both numbers had 10s, we added the 10s together first because we want to add those like units, which in this case was our 10s. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.